Let's get a trade going here. Let's do some Costco trading. We've got Scott Bauer joining us from Prosper Trading Academy. Scott, you look at this, new high, you like it, love it, hate it, what do you think?
Cautiously optimistic. We talk about...
What does that mean? Come on, hit me. What does that mean? You cautious or you optimistic?
Yes, it means it is best in class. It means that the pandemic, the shutdowns, the fact that Costco was an essential retailer and people flocking to the stores, both in person and online, as you said to me, the S, or just recently to Michael, the S of subscription. Once people subscribe, they don't unsubscribe. So these people that joined over the last 3 months or so, they're lifers. I liken the Costco brand to the Apple environment. Once you're ingrained in Apple, you're forever ingrained in Apple. Same with Costco. So even when we get out of this situation we're in, whether it's a month, 3 months, 6 months, and hopefully it's sooner rather than later here, I don't see people moving away from Costco. So cautiously optimistic because technically, as you guys just discussed, we are at that massive resistance and about to break through. If we do, and I think we will, if we do, I see at least another 10 to 15% upside in the next month.
Hey-o.
So the way that I'm playing that is by using options. I'm buying an upside call spread because I am totally risk defined here.
Okay.
If I'm wrong, I know what my risk is. So I'm going out a little over a month here to regular August expiration. I'm buying the 335, 345 call spread. I want to buy that for a little bit under $2, about $1.75. So I've got to see the stock actually come back in a little bit here. It's trading a little bit higher than that right now, but that gives me phenomenal reward to risk. It'll take advantage of this continued momentum to the upside. And if we happen to get a little pullback, Oliver, not only do I know what my risk is ahead of time, but this gives me time. This gives me about 5 weeks to maybe adjust the position a little bit here. But it's hard not to love Costco from every aspect, technically, fundamentally, and whatever else you can throw at it.
Scott, right now, the structure of the trade, once you go above 345, then it flattens out. You hit a wall there.
Out.
Yep.
It maxes out at $10. So
but on the other side, you can lose only $300, but you can basically gain up to about 700, 750, right? So you've got a pretty nice skew there.
If I bought this for, let's say, even $2, it's a $10 wide spread. I can make $800 because this can go out to $10. I can only lose my investment. So I love the reward to risk on this thing. I think there's massive upside still to this stock, but I think you do have to be a little bit cautious.
All right. Optimistic. I hear a lot more of the optimism there than I do the caution, yes. Scott. All right.
The caution part is, Oliver, is that I'm completely risk defined in my setup here. So I know what I can lose, right? I'm not just going out buying the stock, which would give me unlimited risk to the downside. I'm using options here to take advantage of the upside. And if I'm wrong, I know what my risk is. I'm stopped out.
Okay. All right. Scott Bauer, good stuff. Thanks for the trade here. Mr. Bauer is the CEO of Prosper Trading Academy. Costco shares doing nicely in a market that is coming under a little bit of pressure this morning.